Now promoting your business on WhatsApp is very essential, and businesses are losing behind because they are not creating first impressions with their customers or leads. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to Pabbly. You know why big brands are growing much? Because they are literally creating good impressions with customers, and customers purchase from them. So, I will tell you a secret today that will help you to grab more attention of your customers in minutes. I'm going to show you a very amazing trick. Now, I will teach you that how you can create such amazing, attractive WhatsApp message templates that will help you to grab the attention of your customers. So, I'm a business of a fashion brand, and I'm going to send and create first an amazing WhatsApp message template that is going to help me to send that specific template to multiple customers. So in this specific video, I will show you how you can design this template, and in the part 2 of this video, I will show you how to thousands of customers you can send the message template that we will create in this video. So let's dive into the creation of the message template. So I manage my WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and their landing page will appear in front of you. If you're a new user, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to purchase Pabbly Chatflow's yearly or lifetime deals, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts. I have already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account and created the entire setup. If you want to learn how you can create the setup, what are the features and everything, check out all the video links in the description section. Now let's design the message template like Big Brand does. Now over here to create a template, go to the template and template list section. Now to create a new template, click on this add template button and select this option. We have to select the category of the template. Now I'm going to create a promotional marketing template, so I'm going to select this section over here. Next, it is asking for the template name. Now for this name of the template, I'm going to write it as fashion business message in lowercase without space. You have to enter the name just like this. I am creating this template in the language English, so I'll select English right here. Next, it is asking for the variable type. Now if in your template you want to add in a variable, you can select the variable type over here. I'm going to select it as the name as a type. Now, how can we put the first impressions with our customers? In the message, if you add an attractive image or a video, you can create good impression with your customers or leads. So for the template type, I will select it as image. If you want, you can select video, document, location, or other details according to your requirement. I will select it as image. Now it is asking for the format, the main body of the template, for which I will write it as and show you. So you can see this is the body I've written. You will see the preview right over here. I have written a short body. I have written and highlighted the main elements of the entire template. That it's a festive collection is here. I've highlighted it by bolding the text, by adding stars in front and in the end of the sentence. With that, I have highlighted what's the main point of the message, that there is a flat 20% off on your first purchase. You have to use this code, and the order is valid till 14th of August. And if I want to highlight this website over here, so I'm going to highlight the shop now, and this is my website. So I have entered this message, right? If you want to enter the footer, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Now, if you want to add in an interactive action where you can add in your website, so you can select this interactive action right over here according to your requirement. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. Now, after entering all the details, I'm going to click on the submit button. Now, this creates the basic of the template, okay? So as soon as I'm going to submit, this template is going to go forward to Meta. Pabbly Chatflow and Meta are official partners. So now, for approving the template to send it to customers, this template is forwarded towards Meta. That is why the status currently is pending. Now, within few minutes, what is going to happen? Meta is going to approve the template, and if the template is approved, then only you can use this message template to send it to your thousands and thousands of customers as a promotional message. So I will wait over here, and I will wait for the status to be updated as approved. And as the status will be approved, then we will move on forward with the further steps. And you can see right over here, the status is approved from the Meta site. So now that means we can use this template. Now, just to show you how this template is going to be forwarded towards my WhatsApp number, I'm going to share this template personally. So this is my number right here. Okay. Now I'm going to send a message towards my number in front of all of you. I will intervene the chat and I'm going to share this template on my chat from this template section. This is the template that we have created. I'm going to upload the file. Now I have created an image which I will upload inside my Pabbly Chatflow account from here. So this is the image. I will open it right here. I will upload the image over here. As soon as I'm going to do that, the file is going to upload inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. This is the image. I will insert it inside this template right here. The image, and this is the preview of the message. Let me send this to myself, and as this message is going to be forwarded towards myself, if I'll open my WhatsApp, you will see it's the same template that we have right now created. This is an attractive image. You can generate this image with the help of ChatGPT. Just give the message that you're entering, and according to your business and everything, the image is going to be generated. And this is the template text that we have written. Now this is going to create a very good impression in front of your customers. Not just this, if you want to create a video template and send a video of your business or an introduction video of your business or the sale that you have, you can attach the video as well. Now this is going to help your business to grow, and now you have also learned how you can design the WhatsApp message according to big brands. Big brands use techniques like this only to promote their businesses. Now in part 2, I'm going to teach you how you can send this template message to thousands of customers in once. So if you want to learn how you can do that, stay tuned for the part 2. The link will be added in the description section for that video.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.